Another flavour of the VR suite of tools is the VR scene or panorama. Once again, if I go to the toolbox, click on the camera, we've got a number of icons across there, but if I double click, the last tab is the VR scene, and I might just call this panorama 1. It's important to change the height of the camera, so I'm going to make that at eye height. It's 1800. Push apply, and I'm going to close that now. Then I'm going to left mouse click to actually place the camera, and first of all I'm going to want it looking that direction, and then I might place one here as well. And to join those, a left mouse click when the cursor changes to a tick in the middle of the VR camera there, and then when the pencil turns black there, now there's a line between them, and that little circle means that they're actually connected. I might place one more camera in here, and I'm going to join that as well. Then when I'm ready, I can just photo render it, and I check the settings. Once again, we're going to render using the Lightworks rendering engine, although I can render from any of the internal engines, and just going to push OK. Then left mouse click to actually create the scene. Now we just have to make sure that we choose the Q2 VR2 engine, and we're going to render a VR scene, and we make the movie self-contained, and may as well rebuild for each panorama. Then I'm going to save it to the desktop into this folder here. Now what ArchiCAD will do, will render each of those 3 cameras in a distorted fashion down the page, and then it will fold them around into a cylinder, and then we can actually join or hop between those 3 cameras by clicking, or there's a little hot zones in each cylinder. So I'll have a look at that as soon as it's done. Once it's finished rendering, if we open that folder, we can see the 3 cameras that have been rendered, and we click on this one, and over here this is the VR scene, and we can go up and down and look around, and when that arrow turns into that icon, I click again there and I jump to the next camera there, and I can also hold the shift key to zoom in and the control to zoom out. And once that arrow turns to that icon again, that's where the other camera was, and then we jump to the next camera. And we can also jump back the other way, back out to the veranda. So it's a neat little tool that can be used to show your model off in just another way.